Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB on Binance and sell on Zepto. Start by creating accounts on both platforms and completing verification steps. Secure both accounts with strong passwords and 2FA before any transfers. Fund your Binance account using a supported method, then buy BNB and prepare for cross-platform transfer. Verify addresses carefully and watch for network fees and minimums to avoid failed transactions or lost funds. To buy BNB on Binance, first fund your account using a bank transfer, card, or crypto deposit. Navigate to buy crypto, choose BNB, and pick your payment method. Check the displayed fee, slippage, and final token amount before confirming your order. After purchase, move BNB into your spot wallet and enable withdrawal permissions. Keep screenshots of transaction ID until transfers clear to help with any support inquiries. Get the BNB deposit address from your Zepto account and ensure the network matches the Binance withdrawal option. On Binance, choose Withdraw, paste the Zepto address, set the correct network, and confirm the withdrawal with 2FA. Monitor the transfer until it appears in Zepto, then create a sell order matching your desired price or market execution. Account for withdrawal and trading fees when calculating net proceeds from the sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.